Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3, polynomials. Okay, so let us come to the topic. What is polynomial? Polynomial means what? An algebraic expression. An algebraic expression in which the variables involved have only non-negative integral powers is called a polynomial. Okay, so this is the definition of a polynomial. An algebraic expression means we know, which is a combination of constants and variables connected by the basic four operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, an algebraic expression in which the variables means we used in variables English alphabet small letters which can be changed, involved have only non-negative means that are whole numbers integral powers is called a polynomial. Simply, the every term of a polynomial, it should be in the form of a x power n. Every term, okay na? Every term of a polynomial, it should be in the form of a x power n. Clearly, here a is belongs to real numbers and a is not equals to 0. We know a is belongs to real numbers, 0 also real number only, but according to the condition a is not equals to 0. Okay, and the power n should be a whole number, means it is a non-negative integral powers. Okay, now the power should be a n should be a whole number. Okay, now I am writing some examples of a polynomial. We can write example of a polynomial. Examples: 3x minus 5, it is a polynomial. 5x square minus 3x plus 1, it is also polynomial. 3x to the power of 4 plus 7x plus 3, it is also polynomial. So every term of a polynomial, it should be in the form of ax power n. A should be a real number. Here a means 3 is a real number, x is a variable, and the power is what, Nana? N. The power n should be here 1. That is also whole number. So we can write it has 5x power. This is a constant term. This is what, Nana? Constant term. Single 5 అనేది constant term. Its degree is what? That is 0. So we can write these are the polynomials. Clearly the powers, what are the powers? The powers are whole numbers. Okay, now 4, 1, 0. Power should be a whole numbers, non-negative integral powers. Then which are not a polynomials? Which are not a polynomials? These are polynomials. These are polynomials and not a polynomials. Which are not a polynomials, you see. I am writing 3x square minus 5 by x plus 7, it is a polynomial or not? Then how to check it? according to the definition, the power should be a whole number. Yes or no? Ante non-negative integral power. So we can write this polynomial like this: 3x square 5 by x, we can write it as 5x power minus 1. 5 by x we can write it as 5x power minus 1 plus 7. Clearly here power is a whole number, here power is a whole number, the power is a minus 1. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ఈ టర్మ్ సెకండ్ టర్మ్ పవర్ వాట్ నానా, దట్ ఈస్ minus 1. Minus 1 is not equals to, I mean does not belongs to w. Minus 1 does not belongs to w, ante which is not a whole number. In a whole number which the starts from 0 1 2 3 and so on, except 0 remaining all numbers are positive. Yes, but here minus 1 which is not a whole number, it is a integer, so that's why we can say 3x square minus 5 by x plus 7, which is not a polynomial. Okay number. Now degree of a polynomial, what nana, degree of a polynomial. How to find the degree of a polynomial? Degree of a polynomial. Now if p of x is a polynomial, if p of x is a polynomial in x, the highest power of the variable in p of x is called its degree. What nana? If p of x is a polynomial in x, the highest power of variable in p of x is called its degree. For example, I am taking one polynomial, I am writing a polynomial with variable x, that is 3x to the power of 4 minus 7x cube minus x plus 1. It is a polynomial in variable x. What I taken now? A polynomial in variable x. You just observe the each term. Okay now? You just observe the each term of this polynomial. What is the power of the first term? And here power is 3, here power is 1, here power is 0. The highest power of the term, what nana? In polynomial highest power emundi ikkada, that is 4. So we can say that therefore the degree of a polynomial, degree is equals to what? That is 4. The degree of a polynomial is 4. So we can say simply, because of a polynomial with one variable, that is x. If you write a polynomial with more than 2 variables, then how to find its degree? That also I want to explain. Now I am writing one monomial. That is 3x to the power of 4 y square z. It is a polynomial. 3x to the power of 4, 3x power 4 y square z, y square z. It is a polynomial with 3 variables x, y, z. Now how to find its degree? Just before we taken only one variable, now polynomial in only one variable. Now 3 variables. How to find its degree means, you just what are the variables involved in this polynomial? You just add the powers. that is x power 4 y power 2 plus z power what now, that is 1. So we get 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7. So we can say that the degree of a polynomial, the degree of this polynomial is what, that is what nana, 7. Like this we can find. Now what is zero polynomial? What is zero polynomial? Zero polynomial means what? The degree of a polynomial, the degree of a polynomial is not defined. Okay, the degree of a polynomial is not defined, then we call it as a zero polynomial. Example is 0. Example is what nana, zero polynomial ki example ante that is 0 only. What is the degree, what is the power of what is the degree of 0? 0 ki malli inka em rastam degree. Yes, that's why it is not defined. That's why this is the best example of a zero polynomial. Okay na? Now what is zero of a polynomial? Zero polynomial means the degree of a polynomial is not defined, that is zero polynomial. Now what is zero of a polynomial? Zero of a just now we discussed zero polynomial. Now zero of a polynomial. Zero of a polynomial means you consider any polynomial, p of x is equals to x square minus 2x minus 3. Okay na? I taken a polynomial in variable x. P of x is equals to x square minus 2x minus 3. I just want to explain a zero of a polynomial with this example. You take at x is equals to minus 1. Okay na? In the place of x I am going to substitute a real number, that is what nana, minus 1. Okay, in the place of x I am going to substitute a real number, what, minus 1. Then see what is happening. In the place of x we are going to substitute minus 1, that is minus 1 square minus 2 of, in the place of x minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 whole square, the power is a even number, that's why ikkada negative unna kuda we will get positive only. Minus 1 whole square means that is 1 plus 1 only. This is minus 2 of, this is minus 1. Minus of minus, that is plus, 2 ones are 2, here minus 3 is there. 1 plus 2, that is 3, here minus 3. Now 3 minus 3, that is equals to what nana, 0. I substituted in a polynomial p of x. In the place of x I substituted a real number minus 1. The value of a polynomial is becomes what nana, 0. Then we call minus 1 is the zero of a polynomial. Okay na? Minus 1 is called what nana, a zero of a polynomial. And you take a polynomial with a variable x or variable y, your wish. Okay, in the place of the particular variable if you substituted a real number, okay, the value of the polynomial is becomes 0. Then we call what you taken, nu తీసుకున్న real number ఏమవుతుంది, that is called a zero of a polynomial. Now types of polynomials. Types of polynomials. The types of polynomials are types of polynomials. Okay, The polynomials are classified into two types based on, one is based on degree and based on number of terms. Okay, based on degree, based on number of terms. I just want to explain quickly. The first polynomial is zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. Next, linear constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial, like that. What is zero polynomial? Just now I said zero polynomial means the degree of a polynomial is not defined. That is called zero polynomial. Okay. Now the example is 0. Constant polynomial. The degree of a polynomial. Constant polynomial means the degree of a polynomial is is 0. We call it as a constant polynomial. Okay, now this is the example. Linear polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is, the highest degree of a polynomial is 1. That is a linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Okay. The highest degree of a polynomial is 2. That is called a quadratic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. (5x cube minus 7x plus 1). The highest degree of a polynomial is 3. We call it as a cubic polynomial. Biquadratic. The highest degree of a polynomial is called, that is biquadratic polynomial. Like that, the highest degree of a polynomial is 100. Then we call it as a 100th degree of a polynomial. So like this, we can classify the polynomials according to based on degree. Okay, na? Next, based on number of terms. Based on number of terms. First one is monomial. Means it has only one term. An algebraic expression has only one term. Okay. Next, binomial. Binomial means an algebraic expression has two terms. Okay, na? And trinomial. Trinomial means an algebraic expression has three terms. Okay, 3x square plus 3x plus 7, like that. Okay, now, and multinomial. Multinomial means more than three terms. Okay, now, like this we can classify the polynomials based on the number of terms. Okay, now students, so this is about introduction of polynomials.